Alright, get you something to eat. Yo, bro, where's Octavia? Is she supposed to pick up Deanna today? Yo, I don't know how you deal with her. She doesn't even act like she's a mom. She's more like a teenager. Yo, just relax yourself, no man. She'll pick her up later. She start work now. So she kinda busy still, so not her fault. No, me I gonna need you to help me with something. Help you with what? Man, bro, I'm tired. You always want me to do stuff, man. What's wrong with you? Yo, why so lazy, yo? Just want you to come follow me to the car, please. Transmission now work. I'm gonna need 1 month to fix it. Yo, up here. Y'all give me food because of it. Man, rum with coke. Yo, friendly. How are you? How's your wife and everything? My wife actually do a knock me, you know. Tired of her. What going on, Anthony? Hey man, may I come for you today? Don't worry about it. Why you do me a favor? You can go pick me up some food while you're at it. Me give you about the money later, alright? So you don't have to worry about it. Yeah. Alright. Kiss her for me, okay? Later. Yeah. Me understand. Alright. Alright then. Yeah man. Okay. Yeah, big man can dance with me naman. Buy me one rum and boom now. Yeah, wait, but. Yeah, get back a month for rum boom by your ass still, you know. Sean, I run around the block a couple times today. You're right. I need. Come inside with me now. Thank you, Sean. You've been really helping me out a lot, making me feel more confident and everything. You wanna feel the baby's kicking? Yeah, man. How you feeling? Everything alright? Yeah, man, I'm good. My feet them swell bad, but what if I'm not? Me feel alright. Can't wait to find out what the gender them is. Remember, you go follow me if you go find out, right? Yeah, man. Don't worry about nothing. I'm gonna be back here after work, okay? Remember to call me if you need anything, you know. Alright, Rick. Have a good day, okay? I love you so much. Later, alright? Drive safe. Love you, Rick. Alright, dear, now go sleep, okay? Why would you put her to sleep if you know me I come here? That make any sense, Anthony? No, she not go. You know she not go wake up for now. Why you don't like listen to me? Did you buy something me tell you for buy for me? You can't even just come and talk to man. Like say you know man and look up it or something. When you go change? Look a girl tired. You know from when me there so wait upon you. I know you couldn't come. For to make she sit up and tired out herself. That you want? Swear. You know she heavy for carry. And if she asleep, that make it even worse. You really say you always a war with me? Can't me just can't bother with you. Really?
Can you even believe that?
Jerry say can't make she come in here now. She never want to pay nothing yet. She must think say afraid thing run things.
Worst thing all I hear, dirty and stink and smell bad.
Someone there here for you. Sexy too.
Leroy, what going?
Yo, we just come back from foreign. Place you look good.
Thanks.
Oh sis, you can wear some better clothes. To you. Go your dress. How's my Shireen there? Long time I don't see her now. She good?
Sharon, alright. You know, so she left dirty boy day. She pregnant too. She'll have twins.
Yo, Shireen not too old for have pitney now. Sean a big man now. Yeah, walk on sexy.
Hey, now look my friend in her Leroy. So how long you gonna stay here? A month? A year? Mommy wanna see you now?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna stay here for a couple months still. See how things are going down here. Foreign bore me. Yeah, walk on sugar. Everything good, yeah. Up in the age and still look good, man. So how's your husband? Him alright? How the kids them so? Long time I see you, you know?
Dirty man every minute ever give me bun. I mean give him bun too. Bun for bun. Well Leroy look by you man, you not look a boy anymore.
Leroy, I hope you behave yourself now. Nobody come look down here with foolishness. You know, mommy can't take it.
I don't worry about a thing, man. I behave myself. I'm a good boy now. I just down here look, you know, a different lifestyle change.
All me I say is don't come with the foolishness. Cause mommy can't take the foolishness. And knowing you, you don't know when to stop. And anytime you're there run, here fucker always go on.
say you don't have faith in me, sis. They say man change. Worry about nothing. Rent out one house over there so I Caribbean estate. But just, want to relax a little bit. I come here for vacation. I come here for no fuckery, man. Don't worry about that thing, sis. Not disappoint you.
Yeah, I lied from long time in a labor. Somebody not gonna pay you no mind. All I say is, don't come with the fuckery.
No worry. Just come for have fun.